Easy steps, great English.
What do you do when winter comes and your kitchen is empty? Today, we will listen to Aesop's famous fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper. It is a short story, but it has a big lesson. Work a little today so tomorrow is easier and you can still enjoy life. It is a warm summer day. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. In a green field, we see an ant. The ant is very busy.
Whew, it is hot, but I keep going. I am carrying food to my home. I find seeds and grain. I take them back, step by step.
The ant walks past tall grass. And there, on a leaf, sits a grasshopper. He is smiling. He is relaxed. He is playing music.
La la la, what a great day. Hey Ant, why are you working so hard?
Because summer will not last forever. Winter will come. I want to be ready.
Winter, that is far away. Come on, Ant, sit with me, sing with me. Life is for fun.
Fun is good, but I work first. Let's work first and play later.
Work first, play later? That sounds boring. Look, the sun is shining. The flowers are dancing. I want to enjoy today.
The grasshopper plays and sings. The ant keeps walking. She does not stop.
I do not work because I hate fun. I work because I want peace later. If winter comes, we will be ready.
If winter comes, you worry too much. I feel free. I feel happy. I will sing all day.
Days pass. Summer slowly changes. The wind becomes cooler. Leaves turn yellow and fall. Then, winter arrives. Now the field is cold. The ground is hard. There are no fresh seeds. There are no green leaves. And the grasshopper is not smiling anymore.
Brr, it's freezing. I'm so hungry. I have no food. My songs cannot fill my stomach. I need help.
The grasshopper walks to the ant's home. He sees a warm, safe place. He smells stored food.
Ant, are you home?
Yes. Who is it?
It's me, Grasshopper. I need help. Can you share some food? I am very hungry.
The ant looks at him. She remembers the summer days.
Grasshopper. In summer you sang. I worked. I carried grain. I stored food.
I know. I made a mistake. I thought summer would stay forever. I did not prepare.
I understand. But listen, I also get tired. I also want fun. Still, I have to store food for cold days.
You are right. I want to change. I do not want to be hungry again. Please teach me.
The ant thinks for a moment. Then she opens the door a little wider.
Okay, I will share a little food today. But you must learn a new habit.
Yes, anything.
When spring comes, you will help. You will work with me. Then you can sing after work and you will feel proud.
Thank you, Ant. I can still sing, but I can also plan. Next summer, I will work with you.
The grasshopper eats a warm meal. He feels better. He learns something important. Enjoy life, but do not forget tomorrow. A little work and planning today can protect you later. And when you learn from mistakes, you can grow and start again. Now let's review the key English from the story, vocabulary, and sentence patterns you can use in real life.
Winter. Winter. Seed. Seed. Grain. Grain. Carry. Carry. Store. Store. Prepare. Prepare. Last. Last. Far away. Far away. Hungry. Hungry. Share. Share. It is a warm summer day. It is a warm summer day. It is a busy day at work today. It is a busy day at work today. I am carrying food to my home. I am carrying food to my home. I am studying English right now. I am studying English right now. Winter will come. Winter will come. The exam will come soon, so I am reviewing today. The exam will come soon, so I am reviewing today. If winter comes, we will be ready. If winter comes, we will be ready. If it rains, I will stay home. If it rains, I will stay home. I do not work because I hate fun. I do not work because I hate fun. I do not study because I love homework. I study because I want a better job. I do not study because I love homework. I study because I want a better job.
Thank you for listening to The Ant and the Grasshopper. If you enjoyed the story and want more easy English fables and daily English practice, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.